video, I'm going to take you on this ride on the top paying content on YouTube, content you should invest your time into, and content you should make more content about that will make you a lot of money on YouTube. And yes, this video I have top 10 content that will pay you the most money on YouTube. The first is making money content, or how to make money, or making money kind of content online. Like my channel now, my channel is about how to make money, how to make money on social media, how to make money as a side hustle, and how to make money on YouTube or other social media platforms. So yes, my account can roughly make $20 to $30 per 1,000 views on YouTube as a monetized account, right? So making money is as a niche on YouTube that can make a lot of money if you are serious and you create a content very well around it. Another content that can pay a lot of money on YouTube is personal and finance content, personal finance and investing content. This kind of content are also money making content, and it evolves around how to make money and money kind of content. And this is why this kind of content make a lot of money. Advertisers are willing to put so much money into this kind of videos because they believe anybody watching that video has a potential of buying a course or having money or able to invest their money in a particular field or product, right? That's why they're always available. They always want to pay a lot of money to that kind of niches or that kind of videos because they are willing to get a lot of customers from that particular video. For an example, this particular video that I'm making now, or my channel can be making, advertisers can be willing to pay at least $10 to $15 for one video in my channel because they feel like my channel is about how to make money. People that watch my videos are people that also want to know how to make money and are willing to invest their money in the right path. And companies that can invest like that are companies like Bamboo, Bybit or Binance. They're willing to invest in videos that are about how to make money because they believe the content or the consumers of that content are those that really want to make money and invest their money. Number 3 is technology and gadget content. All these full reviews that you see on YouTube make a lot of money from that video because tech companies are a lot. And when tech companies want to invest or run advertisements on YouTube or other platforms, they always go for their affiliate tech content because they feel like anybody watching a tech review is always going to be available to buy a tech product. For example, this phone I'm using now, which is the iPhone 12, sorry. Before I bought this iPhone, I had to go and watch tech content to see what the video is about, to see what the phone is about, the features, the qualities, everything, whether the cameras are fine or not fine or good or bad, right? So companies that I will see in the adverts are mostly Apple, Samsung, Infinix, Huawei. They are willing to put out their product to these kind of videos, and they're going to pay a lot of money to put it out in that kind of videos because their videos have a lot of views, and that's one. And people that are watching that video are likable or maybe likely to buy their own product because anyone that's watching an Apple review on YouTube is likely wanting to go, they want to buy an Apple product, or they're moving from Android to Apple, you understand? So they're trying to know what the iPhone 16 is about. So when you put when the advertisers put their product in front of that kind of videos, they're willing to make sales on that kind of videos, right? And that content I did that makes a lot of money on YouTube are health and fitness. A lot of people know that the health and fitness company is a multi-billion-dollar company in the world, from weight loss to weight gain to metabolic imbalance, and a lot of things to skincare, right? So all these products are health and fitness kind of content, right? And people around the world are suffering from different health problems. So they always know how to put their product or they put their services in front of that kind of audience. These kind of videos now can make you a lot of money because there's someone that's at least over 1 billion people out in the world trying to lose weight, right? And someone that sells maybe a weight loss tea or a weight loss product, they will always be available to put their kind of product in front of that kind of videos so that it can make sales and people can buy their product and purchase their product, right? That way it makes the creator of that particular video a lot of money. Like I said, this my video now is educating you on how to make money, and my channel is evolving around how to make money. My videos can be roughly graded between $6 to $10 or $10 to $15 per 1,000 views, you understand? So it depends on the content you're creating. Number 5 is digital marketing. Digital marketing channels make a lot of money from digital marketing for selling products. So when a channel is evolved around selling product or selling a particular product to the consumers, right? The advertisers are also willing to pay money to put their own advert in front of that video of that digital marketer. Why do they do that? Anybody that clicks on a digital marketing channel to watch a video, they believe that anybody that clicks on that kind of channel are also willing to pay money to buy a particular product or to learn about digital marketing, right? And digital marketing is evolved around buying products and selling products. So as a company like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress that normally sell products and buy products from people, they always want to put the adverts in front of that kind of videos so they can make money and get revenue. So you as a creator, you hop into the above list so you can make a lot of money. And that kind of videos that make a lot of money on YouTube is real estate videos. That should be this should even be a conversation at this point. Real estate videos make a lot of money because people will keep building houses, right? People keep building houses, people keep buying lands. So real estate videos are going to keep making money because people always looking for the best place to buy a land, best place to invest their land. If you look at this list, this is evolving around money. So making money content always pays to an extent. So people always buy houses, people always buy land, people always buying properties. You understand? So real estate is a lucrative niche that will always pay today, tomorrow, whenever. You understand? Another content that also pays on YouTube is luxury lifestyle. Those content pay a lot of money. Let me give you why luxury content pay a lot of money. Companies like Versace, Gucci, Dior, they also run adverts. But they don't run advert the way you think they run adverts, right? So these kind of companies now, they don't just do any advert. They don't just put their adverts on YouTube anyhow or on TikTok anyhow. They make sure they focus it on a particular kind of content. That's where you see all your lifestyle influencers, the lifestyle content creators doing their vlogs, showing themselves in expensive places. This is so that it can trigger the algorithm to believing that their video is a lifestyle content, and it's actually a lifestyle content. That way, the companies that are willing to do advert under luxury promotions can tag their own video to their own adverts to the influencer's video as a lifestyle content, and that influencer is likely to make money from that content. Example is all these unboxing videos you see Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner make unboxing Versace products. Those ones might be PRO. Do you get? But that video entirely is going to be tagged as a luxury content, a luxury kind of content, and it will end up being under the luxury kind of content niche. Then coin brands and companies are willing to advertise their products on YouTube. They mostly go for that kind of videos because they believe that they are luxury videos and luxury content. And that video that always make money online on YouTube is education videos and online learning. It always make money. This my video now is funny enough, it's an educational video and it's also a house make money video. So I'm tapping into the two niches at the same time. When you're able to educate people and educate people with your video online, that's also a way of making money on YouTube. If you're able to teach people or maybe tutorial or educate people on a particular kind of topic. For example, there are a lot of medical students in the world, there are a lot of nursing students in the world. If you're able to create a YouTube channel where you can educate them about certain things, how to do this, how to do that, how to do a procedure in medicine or in nursing or in pharmacy, anything like that. That is considered an online learning and educational content, and that can make a lot of money on YouTube if you are serious and know what you're doing. Another content that can make a lot of money on YouTube is like software content and app reviews. Yes, all these app reviews can pay you a huge amount of money. When you're reviewing apps, not as sponsored videos, or this like just from a normal YouTube content, softwares like coding can give you a lot of money. Being able to teach people how to code on YouTube can give you a lot of money. If you notice something about this list I'm giving you now, they are more like tapping into each other. Like I said, my first on my list was making money content. Second was personal finance and investing. Both of them are going hand in hand. Another thing I said was education and online. That one's also going hand in hand with these three. Do you get? Because it's about educating you how to make money, and it's also making money kind of content. Like I said, last I said was software and coding. Coding can make a lot of money, right? That's a niche on its own. Then when you're educating them about it, you're also educating and creating software content, right? The last and not the least on my list is traveling and lifestyle content. Traveling is going to pay you a lot of money if you have the money. Right? The difference between traveling content is that traveling content is a bit expensive because you actually have to travel for it to make the content, right? Because someone like me now, I've not gone to like big places like the UK, Canada. I've not been to these places, right? If I want to go there, I cannot just buy my tickets and hop on a plane and just go to that place. No, I obviously want to like watch YouTube videos, watch tutorials, how to get a visa, and those things are considered travel and lifestyle content on YouTube. So yeah, these are my 10 content that I will pay a lot of money on YouTube. As a content creator that I am already, I would advise you go for content that you will keep posting, that will keep you on the road, that you don't get burnt out while creating them. The money part is necessary, let's not lie, but focus mainly on the content that will pay, that you don't get burnt out, and you can still get money. There's also a different list on the content that pays the least. I'll make that video later. If you want that video, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll make a video about the least paying content, a different video. So if you like my video and you want to learn about finance and how to make money, or educational videos or valuable videos like this, please do well to like, comment, and drop a subscribe for me, and I'll see you on my next video.